Hey Leo, welcome to your monthly reading for the month of July. I am here to provide you your monthly guidance for the month of July. So, we will check here how your month is going to be during the month, what you are going to get, what kind of situation may arise, what kind of energies overall month it is going to be for you, how you are going to manage that energy, and we will discuss in the end some remedies also, so that your month is going to be great. At least you can utilize your month in a positive way. So we will discuss the remedies also in the last. So first we will see the energy of the month. So this is the first card. This is for your energy of the month. This is for your relationship. This card is for your career and finance, and this is the remedy card for you during the month. What kind of remedies you need to follow in order to get the best result. And we will seek the angel guidance also for you during the month. What the best message the angels are giving for you. As you can already see, there is nothing to worry about. So a very positive card has come. So let's start the reading. So energy of the month is 6 of cups. So what I feel during the month, you may feel quite emotional, lot of emotional turbulence kind of thing I am feeling with respect to your relationship, I guess. You might be missing someone. So during the month, what I feel, since it is a scorpion energy, it is coming for me. So someone scorpion may try to create problem in your relationship. Either it could be your workplace or it could be in your personal level. Some scorpion energy is coming very clearly in the reading today. So what I feel, might be you are dealing with some scorpion energy directly. The next person could be your colleague or could be your life partner. That person seems to be scorpion and you are going to miss that. Somewhere I feel some cut off is going to happen, and this situation is going to be like that, you are going to miss. But I do not feel that's going to be that much chaotic. Emotionally you are creating like that, or it is also possibility you are going to meet some of your old friends. Could be you shall be visiting your old place. That kind of thing it is coming, and emotionally it is going to make you overwhelmed, and you may feel quite disturbed during that time, what I feel. So one possibility I am getting could be uh, probability of breakup or some separation I see, or could be if you are already separated, possibility you are going to meet that person. So the 6 of cups final outcome, if I will see from the 6 of cups, the overall energy, later on you will feel okay, whatever has happened, that's good for you. So somewhere you are going to get satisfied also. So this is the overall energy of the month I'm getting from the cards. So let's move your relationship here, 6 of swords. So if I'll just connect these two cards again, I feel you are leaving for some new place. If it is a relationship here, so you are moving away from that relationship. Could be some other reason, could be the present situation is like that, you are unable to manage. Again I said it's a scorpion and ketu energy I'm getting. So definitely somewhere the separation kind of energy I'm getting from this. Though the 6 of cups is very positive, but I feel such kind of energy from this card also. If during the month if you are falling sick, so this card somewhere it is talking to me a hospitalization. This place looks like kind of hospital and people are taking care of, and this is also the health issues it is showing, but it shows the improvement also. So 2 6 card has come for you, and you are moving away. You are leaving the chaotic situation and you are moving away for the better option. So this relationship during this month for the Leo, what I feel, yes, you are going to leave your life partner and you are moving away, or there is possibility you are running away with that person. So if it is your lover, or you are having affair with that person, so might be you are running away with that person without informing to others, and you are living such kind of chaotic situation, you are trying to go away. So this is the relationship I feel. The health issues also I am seeing, little chaos I am seeing, lot of mental disturbance is there. Yes, while just moving out, lot of uh, mental disturbance will come. You are going to feel uh, pain during this time. So, and you are going to miss this place also. So what I feel, the another energy, if I'll just connect with these two card, what I feel, you might be here and you have to leave this place. So you, this is going to be difficult for you. So this person could be some of your family member or could be your life partner. You are leaving them and you are going away. So that is also another kind of painful situation used to be. So it's a family time and you are moving away, so that's a bit difficult. But yes, health issues definitely it is showing. So take care of your health. And situation seems to be slow. You have to control that situation, control on your thoughts. You are quite emotional, you have to have control on your emotions, otherwise this journey is going to be difficult. Don't carry the negativity, or else the moving out, the moving forward, it is going to moving forward, going out is going to be bit slow, and your journey is going to be lengthy and you may feel panic. Let's move to the career front. Let's see what is happening. This is the judgment cards. Judgment card, somewhere it is talking to me little in your career place, some escalation kind of thing. If some promotion or something, any some particular position you must be expecting, that position you may not get, some other equivalent to that or little down to that you are going to get that position, and that is also kind of achievement for you, that is going to be good for you. But your career front, what I feel, I think you have to check your table, just review your table, review your pending work, so that nothing should be left out. Because here the angel has come and she is calling you who is ready to go. So whose table will be clean, whose karma will be cleared, who will be free, that person is going to get the moksha. Here you can see the angel has come to pick up these people who will be perfect, who will be clean, whose karma will be balanced. Those people will be taken away by this angel. So this is your situation, is if you are planning to move, or if whatever you are going to do in your career, if you are thinking to grow, if you are thinking to change, I think this is a time for the wind up kind of thing. I am feeling some changes I am seeing. But yes, that changes are going to be great. I don't feel it is a kind of painful situation. So just take care of your desk, don't keep anything pending. Financial way also, yes, you need to take care of your finances, because as I said, some health issues I am getting here and there. So take care of your finances. You have to have control on your work, you should be having control on your finances, otherwise the situation may feel little harder for you. Because this shifting also, it takes money, it takes your energy. So this judgment, clearly it is talking about, it is related to the balance, it is related to the review, it is related to the final outcome kind of preparation, it is related to the traveling time. I feel here also the traveling card I got. Judgment also, it shows the kind of get ready to travel, because there could be a movement, any one of them may be taken off. So it is a traveling time, so get ready for this judgment. Some order may come, some result if you are planning at your career front, in your finances, so those thing needs to review, so that you can just gain more from that. So this is what this, if documentation and all anything is pending, if you are moving out of station or out of country, here again it is talking about take care of your documentation, then only you will be able to move. So yes, another scenario again I am seeing, you are leaving your place. Earlier as I said, you are leaving your native place and you are going away, so it is going to be little painful, and you are just moving towards some foreign kind of land, you are not at all aware of that place. So if some leos may, so I guess some leo may expect the foreign traveling this month, this July month, possibly possibility is there. they may get. So this is also it is showing, and with your partners, or either you have to leave your partner and go, this kind of situation it is coming. And this career front also, again the same message it is coming. Could be your place change will be there, some changes are definitely coming, and you have to be prepare for that. So this is the preparation time in your career. So whatever it is, if Leo, if you are planning for any exam or anything, might be something will come, so you have to do the homework on that. So this is the Leo energy I feel. Let's move to the angel message. Angel message, again it is there is nothing to worry about. So whatever this chaotic situation is coming, whatever this painful situation it is there, whatever it is, final result is going to be in your favor, because the angel support is there. You are supported by the divine, so not to worry. Time is very positive, little hard, but yes, you can just go for that. You shall be able to face that situation. Do not think much, whatever it is coming, go for that. It is going to help you in coming future. So let's see what is coming for your remedy during the month, so that all this whatever little hard time is there, you can able to manage that thing nicely. So your remedy card is Seven of Pentacles. So again it is talking about the finances and wait time, whatever it is. See, again this remedy card directly it is indicating you have to pay attention to your crop. When you'll just look at the picture, though the person is waiting, but he is reviewing also these crops, whether they are ready or not. If they are not blooming, if they are not getting me the final result, so what could be the reason? So you have to analyze the situation. So this is the advice for you. Please analyze the situation well. Otherwise the whole time it is going to be bit difficult for you. Whole time may take more time to get you a favorable result. So as I said, could be the medication or health issues may come. So for that also you have to analyze the situation. You have to get the correct picture. You have to take the decision at correct time. So such kind of situation it is coming from the Seven of Pentacles. This is the Taurus energy. So again it is indicating slow and steady growth, but I do not see negativity over here. It is a positive only. So if you are moving in relationship, if you are reviewing your workplace, and if you are feeling very much sad as if you are leaving this place, or might be the person or whatever, you are missing this place, that is going to be in your favor only. In long term, that is going to get you a good result. I think overall what I feel, this lot of financial benefit you are going to get later on, this whatever the chaotic time, if you will just face wisely, you are going to get good return from this. So this is the good return card also it is suggest. So don't be negative, positive outcome is there, but yes, it will take time. As a remedy part, what I feel, you have to add yellow color in your life more. You can wear yellow cloth, you can carry a yellow handkerchief, or you can just carry the yellow flower with you always. You can keep yellow plants, yellow you can keep yellow flower plants on your table, the artificial or the real, whatever it is. Yellow please add in your life. You can consume the yellow pulses, yellow vegetables, yellow fruits if anything is coming, and little orange also you can add. Oranges you can consume, it works for yellow and orange both, and it is going to help you. And add a little greenery, so that it will increase, it will enhance the process. So this is the remedy part. This card is represented by Venus, so you have to make happy your Venus in order to improve your relationship, and in order to improve in your career also. So this Venus is going to help in the both ways. For both thing you have to add this thing. So add this Venus energy. You can just chant the any Venus planet mantra if you know. So this is your month, Leo. It is going to be great. Some movement is coming, some change of place is coming, some traveling I am seeing, some separation also I am seeing, just because of Ketu I guess. So just take care, Leo, and perform these remedies. If you like the video, if the reading has resonates, please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I hope your month is going to be great. All the very best, Leo. Bye bye.